For example, if you're over 40 years old, don't wear tie-dye maybe. On today's Lending Listicles, we show you 5 don'ts for first-time homebuyers. Number 1, don't mess with your credit. Your credit gets pinged with every application you make, even if you never use that line of credit. So wait until after you buy a house to get a new card. Number 2, don't make major purchases. Running up expenses is another way to hurt your credit score. So again, wait until after closing to buy that new car, sectional, or iPhone. Number 3, don't close or max out credit cards. I know this one seems weird, but it's important not to pay off a loan or credit card account before closing. The length of time you have credit is a key factor used to calculate your credit score. So if you close the account, all that credit history is wiped from your account. Number 4, don't consolidate debt to fewer cards. Doing so could give you a short-term dip in your credit score. Number 5, don't miss a payment on existing debt. I'm sure you know that missing any bill is a no-no. Pay on time. And if you can't pay on time, then pay late, but do not miss a payment. For more lending listicles and questions about the mortgage process, check out the Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.